Welcome back with another YouTube video. Now this is the candlestick episode 7. Now we have made all these episodes trying to break down different candlestick patterns. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to explain what they call a morning star. Now for those who trying to ask about other candlestick patterns, go to our YouTube channel FX Daves. You'll watch all the videos which we have made on several breaking down several candlestick patterns. Now, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please hit that like button and also subscribe. Why we recommend you to subscribe? We would like you to be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a new video or new content on YouTube. Now, I have a little bit like illustration here of my candlestick pattern, which is a morning star. So now we try to highlight these candlestick patterns which really affect or have that effect in the market. Why? Would like you that whenever you see these candlestick patterns, just know that we are expecting a lot of reversal in the market. Now, bullish three candle reversal patterns. So now, in the formation of a morning star, we have this bearish engulfing candle. Bearish candle is the first candle, and the middle candle must be a little bit sort of like a doji or a spinning top, plus another bullish engulfing candle engulfing this second bearish candle. So now this is the formation of the morning star. First candle has a long bearish candle, like I've told you. The second candle is sort of like a doji or a spinning top, but it also must also be a bearish candle plus another long bullish candle. Now this makes a complete setup of a morning star. Market gaps up for the second candle and a small candle or a doji candle, either color. It basically shows a possible loss in momentum of a downtrend. So now we have to spot. Third candle is a long bullish candle. I've already explained all this. Now we have to spot this candlestick pattern mainly on our support level. So now, if you come across this candlestick pattern on a support level and also being made on higher time frame, mostly we have to focus on higher time frame, hour for daily and weekly time frame. Why do we recommend you this higher time frame? Because this higher time frame they give us a clear market structure of where the market is heading for several days, months, or years. So that's why we recommend you to mainly focus on the higher time frame when you are trading candlestick patterns. Now, I have a little bit illustration here to show you this candlestick pattern. You can see we have our long bearish candle and this sort of like another bearish doji candle plus a bullish engulfing long candle, which is a confirmation of a morning star. So now, after this candlestick pattern, I think you can see the market had a little bit consolidation with a huge spike to the upside. So now, if you entered your trade from here and you had your stop loss below this support level, because when you break this support level, it's no longer a buy, it becomes a sale, or it can be a fake out and you possibly see the market coming back and pushing to the upside. So now you have to find a way to make your stop loss or put your stop loss in a right position to give market enough space to breathe in and out. Why we do not like your stop loss to be hunted now? Because all things are possible, but after this candlestick confirmation, bulls came into the market and pushed the price all the way to this level. So now we try to highlight for you these major candlestick patterns to use if you would like to be profitable in forex trading. So now, if you have watched this video till to the end, I think guys we thank you for those who have subscribed. We have already hit 100 subscribers. So now let's push it to 1000 subscribers. I know we shall make it. Let's push it before December to 1000 subscribers because a lot of content is still coming. We thank you guys, those who are in our community. For the broker we recommend, I have got a lot of questions about the broker we recommend you to use is Exness. The link will be down here in the description. Go hit that link and register with Exness. I think your account will be verified in 2 to 3 minutes whenever you use our link to open up your account with Exness. Why we made partnership with Exness? So they will verify your account within minutes. So hopefully we meet in another next video.